on back of that canopy, flies the back side of the roof right there, reaching an altitude of 1,000 feet above the ground. Kyle says he literally flies backwards with that canard. Though not capable of aggressive aerobatics, the long easy more than makes up for it with its unique style. It was designed by Burt Rutan. The Delta Wing Canard is a highly efficient with an impressive range of 1,000 nautical miles and cruises at 175 knots, which equates out to about 201 miles an hour. Down the shoreline here. This aircraft is powered by a 200 horsepower Lyconic four-cylinder engine. It only weighs 983 pounds empty. Again, cruised at 200 plus miles an hour, has a max speed of 230 miles an hour, and all of the 60 miles inside this aircraft has a fuel capacity of 52 gallons, making it, with its efficiency, a very good cross-country aircraft for pound. Now, so watching that cockpit. Hey, Kyle, how you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good. How you doing down there today, Phil?
Yeah, we're having a great day. Got a little bit of a breeze here. Hope that's not bothering you too much out there, buddy.
A little bit hard. That's okay. Thanks for a fun show. Hey, so while I got you on the computer here, I want to say a big thank you to all the volunteers. And you and I both know that this volunteers, all the hard work that they do. Without them, we can't do what we do. And you know this part, Phil. I love what I do.
Absolutely, Kyle.
No left. This is going to be our last pass, but this is the photo pass. It worked. Coming around.
That was a high pass.